your first showing is online with your house, okay? And buyers shop online and they don't come out from behind their computers a lot unless your house looks good online and it's priced right. Getting that house ready for the market is super critical, super important, and that's where we really shine and specialize. We have a whole team that can help you get your house prepped for the market. We have vendors who do all the work, but you have to call us and we have to figure out what's best for your current situation. Some people don't want to get their houses ready. Some people want to get the most money they can. So depending what you want, and our slogan is, it's all about you. Whether you're a buyer or seller, it's always about you with the Odell Group. So we need to get together, take a look at your house, because some of these houses take a couple of weeks to prep and some take a couple of months to prep. So let's figure out which is best for you for when you want to get your home sold and what price range your house is in, because believe it or not, some price ranges sell at different times than others when you look at the numbers. So let's analyze the data, let's analyze your house, and let's figure out what's best for you. Okay, so whether you're a buyer or seller, the Odell Group is here to help you. Remember, we have been doing this a long time and we have an unbelievable team that can work with anybody, any price range, and any age. So you get to pick who you get to work with at the Odell Group. Give us a call at this number right here, and we hope to talk to you real soon.